summit. Ha? 85 meters. Ano te?
Pag naubusan ako ng battery,
Oo, ito ang gamitin mo. Grabe ang... Anong tawag dito? Fog. Foggy. It's too foggy. We have reached the summit. Oh. Ha? Oo.
ay naku.
Uy, wow. This is how it looks like at the moment. Nothing to see. Nothing to see. Nothing to see.
Nothing to say.
Nothing to see. We have to go inside. Oh, we are at 1,085 meters high.